Hello beautiful ones, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you my fruit cake recipe. This is a wedding cake recipe, so if you have a wedding job, this recipe is a top notch. Here I have all the ingredients I'll be using for this fruit cake. I have my flour. There is also margarine. You can use butter. If you don't want to use margarine, you can go ahead to use your butter. I have my baking powder. The measurement of all these ingredients will be listed in the description box. I have my nutmeg, I have my cinnamon, I have my mixed spices. Then I also have my orange juice. Get your orange and extract the juice. The next thing I have is my orange zest. Then my sugar. I am using a white sugar in this recipe. You can use a brown sugar if you have one. Then here is my brandy. I'm using 1 cup of brandy. My golden syrup. I also have my browning. Browning is optional. If you don't want to add browning in your cake, you're good to go. I have my black charcoal. Then I have my flavors. What I have in this flavor is oil milk, vanilla flavor and butterscotch. I mix them together. It is going to give me a very good taste. Then the next thing I have is my fresh egg. So I will go ahead to start mixing everything. Keep watching this video. If this is a video you're interested in watching, please make sure you watch to the end. I have my dry fruit. I've already soaked it. If you have not watched my recipe on how to soak your dry fruit, I will keep the link on the description box for you to watch, so that it will be easy for you to do. The next thing I do is to add my margarine into my mixer. I will be using mixer to make this cake. If you don't have a mixer, you can equally mix with your hand. Hello guys, I will go ahead to divide my batter into different pans. So I'm baking with 10 inches and 8 inches pan. I'm going to be listing the measurement of all the ingredients I use in this recipe in the description box. So please keep watching this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please click the red button for me. Click it, subscribe to our channel, as we have amazing recipe to share with you in this channel. I will go ahead to set my batter into the oven to bake for 45 minutes. Here we are after 45 minutes. Our cake is well baked, and I'm going to allow it to cool before wrapping it into the cling film. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to comment. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share to your loved ones. Don't forget to give me a feedback after trying this recipe. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.